Miles, what do you have? Do you have a bat? Do you have a bat? Where are you going, curly boy? Miles. Who's a crazy boy? Don't hit Daddy. What are you doing? Do you like the bat? Do you have a football now too? You're crazy, kid.
I think he's a ninja.
What are you doing, stinker? Bam, 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 bam. Okay, don't. Did you just hit yourself in the head? Oh, God. For those that are watching, this is a soft bat.
Not that soft.
Miles, be nice. Be nice. Okay, Miles.
Hey, that's it. You better run. You better run. Daddy's...
Uh-oh, you in trouble? Aww. Miles. No. Where are you going with that bat? Ninja boy. Aw, are you giving it to Daddy? Oh, just kidding. Say, oh, just kidding. No. Oh, God. No, we're not hurting the kitty. All right, I think it's time to take